a lot of people think na it's just all about training. Actually, it's just half the battle. The other half is actually nutrition. So if you're training hard and you're not eating right, you won't see the results. Or if you're just eating right and you're not complementing it with the right exercise, you might also get minimal results also. So it's a balance of two things. Alright mga ka-LifeFit, good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, almost lunchtime na. I'm going to work out sa LifeFit 40 gym, pero I have to eat muna my brunch. Brunch. Kanina pa ako nag-breakfast so medyo gutom na ako. I woke up very early kanina, mga around 2:30 in the morning para mamalengke. So I just had 4 na hard-boiled eggs, a cup of coffee, pandesal. Yun lang, very high in carbs. Pero yun nga, I'm gonna eat, medyo may protein naman ngayon. And show you guys my top 2 go-to sandwiches before a workout. And for my schedule kasi, panay ako nasa daan. So, panay ako nagde-drive. So, mahirap for me na to come home on time for lunch or kaya to come home on time for dinner, kasi nga yung work schedule is very erratic kumbaga. So pero that doesn't mean na I should take that for granted and not adapt to the situation. So in my case, I really need to observe my daily macros, and I'm maintaining my weight and maintaining my physique. So eating is really an important part of my daily routine kumbaga. Sige, aminin ko, takot ako magutom. Unless of course nagpa-fasting protocol ako, pero for now hindi, nagbabulk ako ngayon eh. So food is really something na naka-prioritize kumbaga. So yun, wala rin akong time mag meal prep. Before I do meal prep, I prepare my own meals, pero yun nga, it's quite challenging. So yun, pero it shouldn't stop me from getting my food in. So based from experience, these 2 sandwiches have always been my go-to food.
Nice.
Especially prior to a workout, kasi I can't eat a full meal before a workout. Medyo naranasan ko na yun and munting na ako mabunsol.
What the
I was so lethargic, I was so full, nasusuka ako, yun. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi talaga ako pwedeng kumain before a meal, before a workout. At least siguro an hour or 2 hours before. Yun. So, pero these guys, I can eat them siguro 15 minutes or 30 minutes before the actual workout. So it really suits well sa schedule ko. So first up, I bought this from Sandwich Guy. Yeah, nakikita nyo ba? Sandwich Guy, alright? So this is a roast beef sandwich.
Wow naman! Wow!
Sandwich Guy is known for their healthy offerings eh. Makikita mo naman sa menu nila eh. Yung nga, they have keto salad, they have all sorts of sandwiches, tapos may mga pa sila, what they call this, fruit juices. So yun, very healthy. So if you're looking for something na hindi fast food, pero yun nga, swak naman sa budget and swak naman sa health goals nyo, Sandwich Guy is a great place to have your food. Alright, so ito yung sandwich mga ka-LifeFit. Yun, medyo burara lang sa presentation.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Pero it is what it is. Yun naman talaga yun. Pero everything's there. The protein, the veggies, the carbs, yan. This is 135 pesos. Pwede na siya. Not bad.
Puta Brad, ganun kakayaman!
It beats having a French fry, burger, and Coke. Mas ano naman to. Hindi hamak na mas healthy naman tong sucker na to. Ayun. Pero yeah. Bon appetit.
Oh yes.
What follows is a brief construction montage. A lot of boring math later.
Alright, so ito na yun. Subway. My second go-to sandwich for training. So tingnan natin kung anong laman ba nito. Actually, the one I ordered before, sandwich guys, so also a roast beef sandwich. So ito rin, this is a roast beef sandwich. So ito yung footlong. It's 6 inches, so pag footlong it's 12 inches. So there's the vegetables and some meat. Natabunan lang siguro ng gulay.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Ayun. Pero masarap yan.
More moments later.
You can just imagine, dalawang ganito ang size ng footlong. Ganun kalaki yung footlong. Sana pala hindi ko muna kinain yung una, no? Para nakita yung actual size. Ang tako ko kasi gutom na ako. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this up and discuss a little bit about this one. Alright? Okay, so why is it my go-to sandwich? So again, it's light on the tummy and yet it packs a punch. Carbs, protein, fiber.
Good!
Pwede mo siyang kainin a few minutes before a workout. Kaya I suggest siguro yung kalahati lang ng footlong. Pwede na for a pre-workout. Tapos the advantage is after you workout, you can get to eat the other half. Diba? In my case, I ate everything kasi gutom na ako. Well, yun. So, it's around 320 for the footlong.
Puta Brad, ganun kakayaman!
Medyo kind of pricey. It's like having a rice meal in a chicken, in a piece of chicken sa fast food restaurant. Pero again, in my case, I can't eat rice before a workout. So I have to eat something light and yet it packs everything. So Subway sandwich has it. I remember my first time eating that. It was during a job interview in Makati City. God, a few years ago, I think so many years ago pa, with Timex. So shout out to Sir Avi and Sir Jeff. Hello po. How are you guys? How are you doing po? Yun, so I think it's my final interview with the owner himself. So I think I was running late. I mean, it's already around past 6 in the evening ata, and Sir Rishi was kind enough to have sandwiches ordered, and it so happened it's Subway. Actually, first time ko nakita yun, and sabi ko, ano klaseng sandwich to? Parang ang laki. Tapos yun nga, when I ate it, it was, I think it's half of a foot long. And yet, sabi ko, grabe, may mga ganito palang sandwich, ang laki.
Oh my God! Wow!
And I remembered, moving forward, we Filipinos, we're not used to having that as a meal, diba? Sanay tayo kanin, ulam, sausawan. Kung in my case, I don't use sausawan naman. Pero parang hindi tayo nabubusog pag hindi tayo kumain ng kanin, right? Aminin nyo yan, di ba? Di ba? Ganun tayo. Hindi tayo nabubusog pag hindi tayo nakakain ng kanin. And yet, in other countries, that's practically their whole meal. Yung footlong sandwiches na yan. And sure, it's a cultural thing din, kung ano yung nakasanayan natin. Bottom line is, the key here is not really getting satiated. Ang purpose mo naman is hindi mabusog, di ba? Ang purpose mo naman is get those calories in, get those macros in, so that you can have your optimum performance in your workouts.
Ganito ang gagawin mo, ha?
Look into your go-to foods para at least yung performance nyo won't be compromised. At the back of your head, if you know na okay, I'm going into a workout, pero yun nga, you haven't eaten yet, at least you have these ready options in line. That way you won't get short-handed in your workout. So in my case, those two sandwiches have always been my go-to food for my training. So find out what's yours. Kumbaga, what works for you, diba? It's your body. Find out what works for you. Because a lot of people think na it's just all about training. Actually, it's just half the battle. The other half is actually nutrition. So if you're training hard and you're not eating right, you won't see the results. Or if you're just eating right and you're not complementing it with the right exercise, you might also get minimal results also. So it's a balance of two things. Alright, so what about you guys? What's your go-to food? Put them in the comments below. And let's see ano yung mga sometimes weird or usual preferences. I might learn a thing or two also with you guys. Alright, so that's it for this episode. Naputol ngayon lang siya talaga na natuloy. Matagal siya nasa pending. Yeah, pero at least it's ready, it's ready on the works niyan. Alright, so be seeing you on the next episode, mga ka-Life Fit. Stay safe always, guys.